Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and another amazing Brinkley. This is a 2025 Brinkley Model Z 3300. Really a nice floor plan. It's a fifth wheel, plenty of room, and a unique setup on the inside. I really like the floor plan. I want to get inside. I've got the lights are on. Nobody's home right now, but I want to get in there and show it to you. Let's get a look at the off-camp side. You can see we have two slides, but the room in this RV, in my opinion, is very impressive. There you can see the 3300 badging. As we walk up the steps, right away you're into the kitchen and gathering room. So we have theater seating here. We have a televator there, which is perfect setup. This is a little bit, I mean, it's a nice setup, but it's not as conducive for watching TV, but for visiting, gathering, it's perfect. I'm not a big TV watcher when I am taking time off, but I know some people are, especially if there's a game on or something. This is the sliding desk area and table or kitchen area. This is rather unique, a refrigerator next to a refrigerator. It's kind of redundant, but if you're an entertainer, you're gonna really like that setup. Nice pantry, and I like the way the lights come on when you open it. And then we have these cabinets above with plenty of storage, and you can see it is accessible from all four doors. I like the under island lighting. It's the sun's just coming up, so you can see the lighting rather well. Bank of cabinets. This is one of the slides on the off-camp side. You have an exhaust fan, pendant lighting, nice island, plenty of drawers, and I do like showing off the way Brinkley sets up their island as far as the waste basket, and then if you wanted to use it for recycling or for compost. I know a lot of people are into composting, and so when you're camping, it's no different. Take the banana peels and the lettuce leaves and enrich the soil. I'm gonna swing around and shoot this bathroom as nicely as I can, showing you all the goodness without showing me. I know it's eye candy when you do see me, but I'm gonna try to be out of it as much as I can. So we have your light switches, your hooks for your towels, clothing. Very, very nice bathroom setup. And I'm gonna back out of there and show you the bedroom. Very, very nice. So we have the closet here, and then the light activator and motion activate it that you can use for a stackable, or if you're a weekend warrior, if you're a weekend warrior, just use it for the storage it's meant to have. Then when I back up, a bank of drawers, your flat screen TV, we have your HVAC ducted heating and cooling, and I do love the bamboo mattress, nice and firm. So again, 2025 Brinkley Model Z 3300. Leave your comments, questions below, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.